Zulay Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker for great flavored strong espresso. Classic Italian-style 5.5 espresso cup mocha pot makes delicious coffee, easy to operate and quick clean-up pot, white. Makes great tasting coffee. Classic Italian mocha pot notorious for making the best traditional espresso quick and easy. Durable cast aluminum body with pressure valve for higher caffeine extraction and flavor. Depending on bean variety and grind selection, this espresso maker can create foam emulsion or crema. Heat-resistant handle and lid knob for secure pouring. Easy and dependable, can be used on gas or ceramic stovetops, allows you to create and enjoy the best tasting coffee with utmost ease. Classic Italian-style design ensures even heat distribution for rich, velvety coffee flavor and aroma. Brew capacity is a 5.52 ounces European espresso cups or 2 5-ounces Americano style cups. Easy to clean, simply rinse with clean water and let all the components air dry in upright position before reassembling. Soap is not recommended as it removes essential coffee oils that build up in the pot and give the coffee brew its unique aroma and flavor. Great value and easy to carry. This manual coffee machine is perfect when on the go. It is made of high quality and lightweight materials, can be easily stuffed inside your bag or luggage without breaking or bending. Ideal to bring along with you when traveling to places where great coffee may not be available. No hassle, kitchen happiness. Zulay guarantee. We love and take pride in our mocha pot, and we back this up with a lifetime guarantee. Have the confidence that this product will last. If there are ever any issues, just contact us and we will make it right. Order now and be assured that this product will live up to your expectations, guaranteed. If it does not, we got you covered. Chances are, you will never need to reach out. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.